Myself Dr. Jagjit, and today's topic is Nasyakaram. Administration of the oil or the medicated oil in the nose is called Nasyakaram. It can be therapeutic or the preventive. The therapeutic is a part of the Panchkarma and it is done by the Ayurvedic physician for the specific disease with the particular precautions. Whereas preventive or the Pratibhash Nasya, 2 drops of the oil is used daily and it is a home-based procedure. Acharya Charak includes Pratibhash Nasya in the daily self-care regime. It is anti-aging and it prevents wrinkles and the premature graying of the hair and promotes hair growth. The Nasa hi Shirsodwaram, nose is a passage of the brain, so it directly acts on the nervous system and it is beneficial in the recurrent rhinitis, sinusitis, migraine, headache, facial paralysis, cervical spondylitis and the supraclavicular disease disorders. The oil in the Nasyakaram act as a biomedical mask and it acts as a barrier between the nasal mucosa and pathogens, so it prevents the upper respiratory tract infections. It is suitable for all the age groups and for all the seasons without any particular precautions. Read the caption to know about the oil used in the Nasyakaram.